So he's got the shield. He just came back and grabbed the ballistic shield.
They said, the suspect said, if anybody comes to the house, they will be getting shot tonight. So, right now they just took out the ballistic shield. They got it on right now. They said it. That's what the guy said. He's a black male, 19 years of age. And if the gun anywhere comes down,
I think you got two separate calls.
But suppose the guy has a gun, and the driver ran out of here, and the daughter, and the dad said if anybody comes there, they're going to be getting shot. So that's where we're at right now. We're staying talking. What'd you say?
That's two separate calls.
What is two separate calls?
That one was this, and the other call was for suspected a black suspect.
19 years of age with a gun? Maybe an
19, yeah.
So what's, I thought that was this one.
No.
So this was the one where they said if anybody comes there, if anybody comes to the house, they're going to be getting shot.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I got half right. Oh, they know.
Yeah, if I was 19 years old and someone was trying to fuck with my daughter,
She's got to be, what, 1, 2 years old? unless you had the baby when you were 16, then the baby before. That's kind of weird, too.
Her little boyfriend better be 4 or 5.
And the mom and the dad better be there, too. Shit, like a little play date.
Yeah.
Did they tell us to stop? Did you tell you to stop or anything?
Huh?
Did they tell you to stop it all yet?
No.
Okay, I was gonna walk right over by the pole.
Okay.
Try to look down the street.
Hey, can you imagine you got a 4-year-old daughter and some 26-year-old guy comes up, knocks on the door and asks if you can see her?
I'd blow his leg off. I guess oh, get a look, Chevy. Hey, the other night, was you out at all the other night when it was real windy?
Yeah.
Oh, it was so cold. God, it was cold. I went home at like, I go home like 2, 3 in the morning. I was freezing my ass off, trying to get to my door. I'm like this trying to get the door. And I was in a heated car, still cold. Like when I got out the door. Yeah, they were so fucking concerned when I went. They were all looking out the window and they opened up the door and I was like, "You're so concerned, I'm moving my car."
What'd she say?
She just closed the door. The husband or the boyfriend or the son came out and grabbed some milk and looked over at us. Okay, so that I was gonna move my car to like deal with. And plus, when we leave, we can just cut right there and get the car.
Yeah.
If we got anybody, any cop think maybe might be following us, you know, because we're here or whatever, see what car we're in. Because usually they know your car, you're parked right here.
Yeah.
They don't see your car, they're like, wait a minute. I'll just have you get in the car.
Well, not all the time.
Well, yeah. But I'll have you just drive away, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I have insurance and everything on it.
Oh, you know what's funny? Is I went to one of these calls where in his apartment where it was a guy called about a gun. Said, yeah, my neighbor has a gun. I can see it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Right, so the cops showed up with long rifles and stuff. I got they watched me walk into the apartment complex. I set up. 2 cops came over right next to me.
It stood there?
With their rifles and just stood there.
They're like, hey, Bob, how you doing?
And then after like 15 minutes, they were called back and I went back.
Oh, they called and tell you to leave?
Yeah, well, no, they told the supervisor told everyone to leave. It's the call's over with.
Oh.
Turned out what it is when they talked to the guy that seen the gun. He was walking through the parking lot and he seen the gun in the guy's apartment.
Just seen it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you're right. Yep. My neighbor has a gun. Okay, man. I wonder if they checked him out. Like the neighbor, I wonder. Knock on the door, say somebody said you had a gun. Yeah, I do have a gun. So they're using his cop car?
Huh? Guess which cop car probably has a hard door.
Whichever one has the hardest door that they're using.
Yeah, well, there's one in there with a steel plate in it. Some of these police cars have
some of the cars
plates.
do? Damn. My brother's cop car, you ever see my brother's? It's a Blue Crown Vic. You ever seen his or no? His whole car is bulletproof.
Yeah.
It was an Oregon State Trooper car. And the trunk, when you open it, you had to hold it. When you drop, oh, it's loud, it's heavy, like reinforced.
Yeah, that's because that one has a bunch of steel in it.
Yep, yeah. He got hit in the fucking side truck hard as fuck. Boom! By a big ass semi truck, like them goose things that you buy ice cream from, the little goose trucks.
Yeah.
Or swan trucks. Put a little tiny nick in it, just a little ding. It tore a hole in the side of the truck up, or the other truck, the swan truck. Put his little scrape on the back of his bumper. That was it. So the guy tried to say, hey, my brother hit him, but there was witnesses at the school where he was at. Everybody came out and said, no, we see you drive through there and hit him. So that's why the guy did. That's why I was like, oh. But yeah, that guy did. I said, that much damage to that little thing is crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, because it used to be an Oregon State Trooper car. He bought it from Woodburn.
Yeah.
Where they go buy old cop cars, you know, and they if there's any damage, they fix it all and resell them.
Yeah.
So he got his helmet on now.
Yeah.
He's gonna be the first one through the door. You gonna be trained to be the first one through the door, or you just choose? Luck of the straw.
Luck of the draw.
Look at the oh, at you.
Hey, how you doing?
What's going on? What's going on?
Guy with a gun.
Huh?
Guy with a gun call.
Oh, gun?
Yeah, we're cop watchers, so we go around from the police, make sure they don't violate people's rights.
Like beat the shit out of them. And
Oh,
shit.
you guys, man, Poland, man.
Yeah, but I guess a guy with a gun. Supposedly his daughter called
Oh,
somebody.
so this is just to make sure they ain't doing no shady shit.
Make sure like they're not supposed to do, like breaking policy and shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Hey, then that's good though. It's good that we have people like you guys, man.
yeah, and
Just in case like any discriminatory and shit like that.
yeah,
Right.
because the dad called the police, said if anybody comes to my house and picks up my daughter, I'm shooting them.
What the fuck?
Yeah, so that's why they're staging like this. Yeah, because they do a lot of shady shit, so we make sure they don't.
Yeah.
Because you know if they have no cameras there, they're like, we do what we want. If they have cameras, they're like, wait a minute.
Like, come on, man, you guys seen enough, right?
No, but yeah, that's why we do that. Because they've done a lot of shit. So we try to catch it.
What kind of type of shit they get away with?
All kinds.
Like
Illegal
false
search.
arrests, illegal searches, trying to scare people to let them search their car. Me, I'm saying you ain't searching my car. But they be trying to get away with it, be able to do it. Police brutality and it's justified, supposedly. Shooting people. I had one cop a few weeks ago draw down on me. I had my selfie stick right here in my pants, and I pulled it out like that. He thought it was a gun. He drew down on me. He said, "What is that?" I said, "It's my selfie stick. Calm down." Yeah, and he put the gun away like that. That was one, I remember that's one. But then I got arrested for interfering, supposedly.
Yeah.
They're interfering in their donut break.
Oh, you still got those videos?
I posted all of them. Yeah, they're all on my YouTube. I put it all together.
You have YouTube?
Yeah, ruthless cop watcher.
You post all those shady
I post everything.
shady cop shit?
I post everything. I don't give a fuck. I let the world know.
Hey, what you do? You just have that camera out.
I put on Robert West on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm Ruthless Cop Watcher on there. Here's Robert West. We have another buddy of ours. His name is Oregon Cop Watcher. All on YouTube.
Your YouTube channel?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
YouTube channel is Ruthless Cop Watcher. His is Robert West, and we have another one that's Oregon Cop Watcher.
I might subscribe to you guys.
All right.
Hell yeah. You'll see some tight ass shit, some crazy shit too.
Well, man, as long
Cussing the police out,
as
everything.
long as it's here and in Portland, Oregon, man.
It's always gonna be here. Yeah. Sometimes we travel to other towns, but you never go that way.
Oh, you can. I
They
got
can't
to
chase
do.
us here, right? They can't chase us.
No, we're way
No.
far away. They try to come over and tell us to move. We're telling them to go fuck themselves. We're way far away.
Oh no, no. So I've seen them before.
No, they're gonna go down the street and
So what's your name again?
Robert West.
This time?
Yeah, right here, that top one.
Okay, I got you. What's yours?
Ruthless, like Ruthless Records. R-U-T-H. That one right there. Then we have another one. His name is Oregon Cop Watcher. Yeah, I have all kinds of shit. I do. I got car shit and shit too.
Oh, I got you.
There's about a dozen of us. There's Mike Bluehair, Keith Davis.
Do you guys show this to the news sometimes?
If the cops are real shady, we do. So let everybody know that this is what this cop did. Watch out for him, type shit.
Wait, so you seen dirty cops before?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had cops, all kinds of. They're flashing headlights at another cop down there. I got video of cops arresting people, put them in the back of the cop car, and not taking them to jail, just let them drive around in handcuffs, and then pulled over another car with them in the back. I got that on
They knew
video.
each other?
I don't know. She got caught in a stolen car, but it was a girl, and they just drove her around with her.
Man, he probably did something.
He probably, he sucked a dick.
Yeah.
And then when I went back to record it, the back of her car, I heard the dude go say, "Get down," and she leaned down like this. But I barely got her on the camera.
That's your kid?
Yeah. Yeah, all three of my kids are black.
So you know what it's like. So what it's like. I mean, I feel like, kids, you know,
Oh, yeah. Goddamn right I am.
Okay, another cop just showed up with no lights on.
Wait, so it's a house right there? Man, maybe I was sudden coming down the street.
Why are they all trying to tell me?
They're all of a sudden trying to come down this street right now. What the fuck going on around here?
I don't know. But this guy's gonna find that he's gonna have a problem getting through.
Well, he might be part of it.
He might be the guy going and not asking about the dude's daughter. Excuse me. Guy with a police responded to a call of a guy with a gun.
What is it?
A man with a gun.